Hi, I'm Mara Grace SW, 20 years old. You can call me Grace. So I'm living in Alcala, Luna, province of La Union. In my family background, we are 5 and I have 3 siblings. I'm the youngest, the bunso. And next, these are my hobbies: playing volleyball, hiking, and also I love to dance. And mostly is I love to eat. Why nurse? Because my brother became my inspiration and motivation. He also graduated from Lorma Colleges and he just passed the board exam as a nurse. He registered nurse this year, 2024-2025. Why did he become my inspiration and motivation? Because when he was making videos and he did a written demonstration, I was his patient, or I was the person in his video, and I was amazed at what he was doing, and that's when I started to like nursing. And this is also one of my dreams when I was in high school. I want to be like my older brother someday. I also want to help people who are sick and in need. I am ready to pursue nursing to the end for RN someday, 2027. The place that I want to work in abroad, just like in Canada, I still don't know which area I want, but the area that I witnessed in my duty in labor and delivery. But I still don't know what area I want to go to, but I want to work abroad so that I can save money and help my parents